Hi everyone, thanks for a great first class, and I'm going to just give you a quick review of the D2L tour. I'm going to repeat it because I decided after I answered questions at the end of class to organize the homework assignments a little bit differently. So I'll review how to get into D2L and then where to find the homework assignments. They're basically in the same place. You're just going to have to click one more screen. So this should be really fast. So notice I'm already logged into D2L. Remember what I said in class that the D2L and eWolf passwords are the same, they're linked. So if you have trouble getting into D2L this week, if you go to eWolf, you guys see me going to, let me log out, it's automatically logging me in. Let me try that again. Oh, I'm logged in, hold on. So from the Front Range homepage, you guys can click on eWolf. Don't log me in automatically. Thumbs up. Okay, so remember eWolf and D2L are linked. The passwords are linked. So if you have problems with your D2L password this week, come to the Front Range homepage, click on eWolf, and then there's a reset password here. And also if you have trouble with remembering your S number, it is also here. I'm already logged into D2L. So remember what I said, when you first arrive, it's not our course shell. You have to click on the link to get into our course shell, either down here or up here in the Lego waffle. Looks like a waffle. I'm still hungry. I'm still at school. What is wrong with me? Okay, so still the homework reminder will be on announcements, but notice what I've done. Oh, I just hit something. Oh, I clicked on the announcement. Let me go back. My mouse is just super sensitive. My mouse pad on my laptop. So I'll try not to click on anything this time. Okay, so the homework announcement reminder is still on announcements, but what I've decided to do is create a checklist so you guys can check off the assignments as you do them. So when you click on any of the links in the announcements, I'm going to set this up to be a student real quick. You guys will see it exactly the way you will at home. So you can click on any of these words, checklist, checklist, checklist. They're all going to take you to the same place. I've decided to do the checklist, so click on the checklist in the homework reminder. And then I've set them up so that you can read each task. Still only 7. Remember, you're going to get your course materials. You're going to read one of the 3 essays in the textbook. If you don't have the textbook yet, you can click on the links to the PDFs. So as you read these things, complete these things, you click here and it will mark it completed for you so you know that you're done. So just an easier way to manage the assignments. The announcement page doesn't allow me to do that checklist setup. Remember, I asked you to read a second example memoir. Again, click on the link to get to the PDF. These, the second grouping, are not from the textbook. They're ones that I have found in my own reading and are giving to you. And remember, I gave a preview of each of the stories very quickly in class, but hopefully that will help you to make a choice. Remember, in task 1, you're getting your journal, so now you can use your journal to respond to both of the example memoirs. You only have to write one page. Run front side of a page in your journal, all the lines. Respond any way you want, but I do have questions here. If it helps you to answer my questions, feel free. Otherwise, respond however you would like. Read the syllabus. There's a link to the syllabus. Read the instructions from the memoir assignment. The link is there. It will take you there. So when you move away, like if you're going to open up the Essay 1 instructions, once you're done scrolling through and reading the instructions, all you have to do is click the back button to get back to your checklist. Okay, so whenever you click on something, let's say you go to the syllabus, you look through the syllabus, you jot down questions in your journal, so we can talk about those in class next week. Just hit the back button and it will take you back to the checklist, and then you can click that off. I would, as you check stuff off, save your progress, because I think if you're just going to items and then coming back to the checklist and not clicking save to update your progress, I don't think it will save. So that would be my only caution there. But I mean, really, you don't even have to check off the stuff in the checklist. I'm just setting it up this way for ease of reading and helping you to stay organized. I believe you can also, let me double check, I'm thinking, I think this, just collapses. Yeah, I'm just playing around. I've never, I'm just viewing this as an instructor, student. I'm an instructor, I was a student, anyway. And then the last step, I'm just reviewing you through all the homework. Last 2 steps after you read the instructions for the memoir, write 3 topic ideas. The video will be there momentarily, so the link to the video will be live in a few minutes. And then your last step is to write a draft of the memoir you are going to work on for this assignment. 2 pages minimum for the draft, please. And all of that is due next Saturday. Email me, call me, stop by my office this week, and I'm happy to answer your questions. And thanks again for a great class. Talk to you later.